So good evening, guys. Now I have taught him use of have and I have made him practice. Now we are going for question answer session. So I will ask some question based on have, and he will answer with yes or no. I request you to kindly watch this video. Okay, shall we start? Okay.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. So do you have fever?
Yes, I have fever.
Do you have headache?
No, I don't have headache.
Okay. Do you have English knowledge?
No, I don't have English knowledge.
Okay. Do you have confidence?
Yes, I have confidence.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Do you have 10 minutes?
Yes, I have 10 minutes.
Okay. Do you have money?
No, I don't have money.
Do you have 100 rupees?
No, I don't have
100
100
rupees.
rupees.
Okay. Do you have any doubt?
Yes, I have any doubts.
I have any doubts. क्या बोलेंगे?
Yes, any
Yes,
doubts.
I have many
Many doubts.
doubts. Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have two sisters.
Sister. Okay. Do you have car?
Yes, I have a car.
Okay. Do you have laptop?
Yes, I have laptop.
Okay. Do you have notebook?
No, I don't have notebook.
Notebook. And do you have pen?
Yes, I have pen.
Great. ओके सो सिंपल मैंने इसे हैव पढ़ाया है आई हैव टॉट इन यूज ऑफ हैव और आपको अगर हैव से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो उस क्वेश्चंस का आंसर कैसे देंगे यू हैव सीन इन दिस वीडियो okay thank you for watching this video guys I request you to please join Aspire Education to learn English